Let's learn about sitemaps. Sitemaps are vital to help your website get indexed into the major search engines, and sitemaps help the search engines learn about all the URLs that are linked to your websites or blogs. So now, since I understand sitemaps a lot more, I thought I would record a video and help others learn the importance of using a sitemap and why you use it. As you can see here, I have 5 sitemaps listed in my Google Search Console account. And how I got those SiteMaps.xml, I used a freebie plugin that I installed. I'm using the free version called Yoast. And when you go to the settings area after you install it, you scroll down and you go to XML Sitemaps. Learn more, follow the instructions. And follow the instructions that you are given within the search engines. And this goes for Bing too. They tell you how to do it. After I followed the instructions, I clicked on this tab, and I'm confident now that this is what it created for me to enter into the search engines. 5 different unique URLs, which are: one is linked to posts in my back end. Every time I create a new post, it gets listed to the post sitemap.xml. Next, page sitemap.xml. Same thing. Every time I add a page, because on my blog, I share web pages, static pages, and I also post blog posts. This one is for pages. Every time I add a page, the sitemap tells the search engine to recrawl my website's back-end code, and it will grab it and index it into the search engine if it's worthy of indexing. We all understand we must produce the best quality work possible. Then the next one is category. Every time I produce a new category, create a new category, it will add it to that category sitemap.xml URL. It's telling the search engines, oh, there's more categories added to this website. Then you have tags. And here's the tags. And then you have author. There's one author. When you browse your back end, you figure it out. And here's author. And this is for myincomejob.com website. And that's how I get the sitemaps indexed into the search engines. It's vital. Sitemaps is a file that details a website's pages, which I showed you, and files. You have the blog posts, you have the pages, you have the categories, you got the tags, and they all are linked to their unique URL. And that helps you get indexed. That helps your websites URLs get indexed into the search engines. I hope this helped you learn more about sitemaps, and never give up. Keep at it. I used a free plugin, Yoast, and it works. See you later. Bye.